When you crack your neck, it forces your joints to move, which can sometimes cause small air bubbles in the fluid to burst, creating that popping sound.
Cracking the neck is by the displacement of the bones on top of themselves as well.
But if you twist your neck too forcefully, you might tear the lining of a blood vessel.
Okay, so this would require a huge amount of force to tear the blood vessel. Possible, but huge amount of force.
In rare cases, this tear can lead to a blood clot forming, which might then travel to your brain. Once there, the clot might block blood flow and could cause a stroke.
Any blood clot in the major artery going to the head can break off and cause a stroke. A stroke is basically where a blood clot breaks off and it clogs up the smaller arteries as the arteries get smaller in the brain, and then that part of the brain may not get much oxygen. And if that's the case, that part of the brain may die or be severely affected.